what's going on, guys? My name is Shane, and today I wanted to create this look with you. I sat down this morning not really knowing what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to play with the James Charles and Morphe palette. Can you see it? There we go, a little bit. I wanted to play with this a little bit more today. Of course, we kind of like played with the blues a little bit and created, there's a lot of eyeshadow on my face today, but I really like how it came out, so I want to show you how I created it. If you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. So I've already gone ahead and filled in my brows using my ANASTASIA brow pomade. So at this point I need to carve out my brows, so I'm using a flat shader brush and my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color called Porcelain to do this. And then to blend out the edges, I'm using a beauty blender. Today we're going to be playing with the James Charles palette again. So first, on a fluffy brush, I'm picking up the color called Tune and sweeping it into my crease. I did get ahead of myself on eyeshadow. I want to first apply a little bit of Scotch tape on the corner of my eye. So I'm applying it from the outer corner of my eye up to my brow bone. On my Morphe 507, I'm taking a combination of the color 518 and B, and I'm going to sweep this into the crease as well, just not blending up as high as we did with Tune. On the same brush, I'm picking up Code James, and again sweeping this into the crease. On my Morphe 321 brush, I'm picking up Escape and Single, and I'm going to pack it into the outer corner and a little into the crease. I found that patting the color helped me get a little more pigmentation than swiping the color. Back into the Morphe 507 without any extra product, I'm just going to go back into our crease and blend out even more. It's time to cut the crease, so once again I'm using my flat shader brush and my Pro Concealer, and I'm going to create a cut crease only about halfway. Then picking up Playground and Hello on a small shader brush, I'm going to pack this all over the lid. To get right up to the crease, this brush is a little bit big, so I like to use a small detail brush with the two same colors, and I'm going to pack this as close to that line as I can without actually going over. And then using whatever leftover product is in the bristles of my Morphe 507, I'm going to blend the purple into the blue so there's no harsh edges and the two colors blend together. At this point we can take off the tape because we're going to move on to the face, so I'm going to prime using my Monostat. For foundation, I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me in the number 122. And blending this all out using my beauty blender. I was using my Real Techniques brush for a while, but I did get a new beauty blender for Valentine's Day, so hopefully this time I can keep it away from my cat, so we're gonna use it today. To conceal underneath my eyes and on my T-zone, I'll be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And before we apply any powder to my face, I want to use up any creams we'll be using today. So I'm going to do a little bit of cream contour. So using my LA Pro Girl concealer in Toast, I'm going to wet my Real Techniques brush using a little bit of setting spray and blend it. And I always follow up with my beauty blender to blend it out even more. And hold on a second as I change the channel for my toddler. I'm going to set everywhere that I concealed my face using the Airspun Translucent Powder and a damp beauty blender. For my waterline and my inner corner, I'm using NYX Faux Whites in the color Mint Cream. And at this point, you can go ahead and brush away any excess powder still baking on your face. Back into our palette, I'm once again taking 518 and B and sweep this on my lower lash line. On my Morphe 321, single and escape once again into that outer corner right to the top shadow. I'm going to create my eyeliner today using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Until I realized I first wanted to go into the Disney Designer palette from ColourPop and pick up a little bit of Prince Charming. I'm going to pack this into my inner corner and highlight my brow bone. 2 coats to my top and bottom lashes using my tried and true L'Oreal Telescopic. To bronze up my face today, surprise surprise, we're using my Butter Bronzer by Physician Formula. And then I'm going to pop on Curly Queen lashes once I allow the glue to get tacky. For highlight today, I'm going to stick to my favorite, which is the Emerezi by Anastasia. I like to spray the bristles of my brush and not the actual product to give me a little bit more of an intense glow. And on my lips today, I can't help it, I really love this color. I'm going to be using Can't Relate. You want to first give the product a little shake before you apply. To finish off our look, I'm going to be using a little bit more of my liquid liner just to cover the lash band a little bit more. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really happy with the way that it came out today, and I got to play with some more colors as well, which was really, really cool. If you guys did enjoy, please go ahead, leave a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any new videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!